It's already late in the evening and the sun is setting on the horizon. This is me, driving through these beautiful landscapes. I don't know what I'll find at the end of this road, but I think that's the real beauty of travelling to places like this. It's always a surprise what we could find around each corner. I love places that make me realise how tiny I am in this big world. Suddenly I feel 5 years old again. The world is fresh and new and beautiful, full of wonder and excitement. I think I travel to wild places like this because I need to. Because my wild, adventurous spirit can't live to the norm. I travel to reinvent myself, to discover the best in me, to find joy in the ordinary and peace in exploring. I travel just to be. And when I come home, home may still be the same. And yes, the same old job calls my name, but something in my mind will have shifted. And trust me, that changes everything.